Researchers at the Gene and Stem Cell Program at the Centenary Institute in Sydney have shown that 97% of human DNA programs encode proteins in our bodies. One of the researchers who carried out this study said, "This discovery, which relates to what was previously termed trash, opens a new level of control of gene expression. This also means that there are more ways to retrain or reprogram our DNA, even the cells that have become cancerous or mutilated, from the onset of toxins in our environment, and the negative emotional baggage that has been shown to have an impact on health. They could regenerate themselves." The discovery could explain our intuition, spontaneous healing, and a series of other phenomena that official science is just beginning to conceive. The discovery could explain our intuition, spontaneous healing, and a series of other phenomena that official science is just beginning to conceive. The theory of chaos is the study, through physical mathematical models of dynamic systems that exhibit an exponential sensitivity with respect to initial conditions. Systems of this type are able to exhibit an empirical randomness in the evolution of dynamic variables. The chaotic appearances are only a very complex system, influenced by very subtle changes in an almost infinite range of variable possibilities. DNA has a second language, so far unknown, able to speak to the cells of our body. It communicates much more complex instructions for life and is more used than the known one. When it is completely unveiled, it will also make us understand the language of cancer and perhaps will also explain phenomena such as clairvoyance. Piotr Garajujev and Vladimir Putin have discovered that the DNA follows patterns and rules similar to those of human language, but the most interesting information is that reported by Dr. David Deemer and Susan Alexander, who has achieved a master's degree in music, discovered that DNA creates its marvelous music. By measuring the actual molecular vibrations of the DNA, and recording it with an infrared spectrophotometer, each year exposed each section of the DNA to infrared light and measured the absorbed wavelength, thus determining its sound frequency. What was amazing about it? Some of the combinations of frequencies, said Alexander, they are simply amazing. It seems alive to me. Obviously, the idea of reorganizing DNA with intentional frequency is certainly difficult in practical application and still lacks legitimate scientific validations. However, science confirms that sound and light can directly influence the body's healing processes. Researchers at the University of Cincinnati have been successful in applying high-frequency electrical signals to vascular cells, with great effect in treat chronic and persistent wounds such as diabetic ulcers. For decades, the mystery of Royal Rife and its frequency care machines have been publicized by many as the ultimate cure for a wide range of diseases, parasites and bacterial and fungal infections. These findings suggest that every living organism has its own unique resonance frequency, and that by subjecting the body to electrical currents affecting specific pathogens, diseases and disorders could be neutralized without the use of drugs or invasive procedures. These examples confirm the ancient spiritual notion that the human body is animated by a subtle energetic system that can be manipulated by the application of sound, light and intention. We live in a world still dominated by material science, which seeks to reduce spirituality to simple anomalies of chemistry and the brain. Yet, at the same time, we clash with the validity of the information received through intuitive experiences. What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.